Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about how to check if your car brakes are working correctly and efficiently. Proper brake function is crucial for ensuring your safety on the road. One sign of a brake problem is if your car takes longer to come to a complete stop. Another indicator is if you notice any strange noises or vibrations when applying the brakes. This could be a red flag if your brake pedal feels spongy or soft when pressed. A warning light on your dashboard can also indicate a brake issue that needs attention. To check your brakes, start by inspecting the brake fluid level in the reservoir under the hood. If the fluid is low, it may be a sign of worn brake pads or a leakage in the system. Next, visually inspect the brake pads through the wheel spokes to see if they are worn down. If the pads look thin or uneven, it is time to replace them for optimal performance. Check the brake rotors or drums for any signs of damage, such as cracks or grooves. Ensure that the brake lines and hoses are not damaged, worn, or leaking any fluid. If you suspect a problem with your brakes, take your car to a certified mechanic for a professional inspection. Regular maintenance, such as brake pad replacement and fluid flush, can help prevent major brake issues. Always keep an eye on your car's braking performance and address any concerns promptly. Remember, responding quickly to brake problems can save lives and prevent costly repairs down the road. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your car's brakes are in top shape and functioning efficiently. Stay safe on the road by regularly checking and maintaining your brakes. You'll have peace of mind and a smoother ride. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for top-notch tips.